Hello everyone, this is Jay and this is my weekly video reviewing my portfolio to see what's undervalued for me to make my purchases today as a DCA investor. I already made my deposit into my Fidelity account, so I am ready for that. But I also wanted to take a look at the stock market map and see if there's another stock that is also undervalued maybe at the moment that I don't have in my portfolio that I can maybe start a position. So, but before we start, please don't forget to hit that like button to continue to support the channel. It continues to grow and that is awesome. All right, so let's go right into the stock market map. And as you can see right here, it is in the last week. That's what I selected right here. There's a lot of green and then there's also some red in here. So some of the companies that I've noticed that are in my portfolio that are down right now, it is this one right here, ticker symbol PFE, Pfizer. It is down 6%. So definitely opportunity for me to continue to lower my cost right there. So I am going to be making some purchases of PFE for sure. And then another one that I've noticed, which is right here, PG, ticker symbol PG, Procter & Gamble, 4.5%, almost 5% down in the last week. So, and this is a company that, as many of the subscribers know that have been following me for some time already, I really want to grow this position right here. So there might be some opportunity for me to continue to grow that position right there. So many of the companies, if you're looking into the growth sector, Netflix is down, ticker symbol NFLX. It is down 4.63%. So there might be some opportunity right there also. And if you're looking at the semiconductor sector, INTC, ticker symbol INTC, Intel, it is down 5.71%. But the share price, it is at $42 right now, it looks like. But a sector that I was looking into that I'm like, I don't have any stocks there. Maybe I should start looking into that one. It is this one right here, which is the energy sector. Let me see if I can zoom in. I'm hoping I can zoom in. And this is it right here. As you can see, XOM, real big right there in the middle. That's the Exxon company. It is down 4.21%. Chevron, ticker symbol CVX, it is only down 0.82%. But look at all the other companies like Shell, BP, they're all down over 4% right there. So definitely a lot of these companies are down right now at the moment. So maybe a sector I should be looking into. Are you looking into this sector also? Please let me know in the comment section. Any of these stocks that you're looking into. Maybe I should make a video on this whole sector next week to review it. So when I go into the stock analysis tab right here, which I have one company open already, I was checking it out. Chevron Corporation, ticker symbol CVX. It closed yesterday, Thursday, at $142.42. And as you can see right here in the chart, year to date, I have it selected, down 20%. So at the beginning of the year, it was at $173.99. And right now it is at $142.42. Now, is it time right now to be able to start a position in this company? It is looking like it right now. But of course, you got to do your research in it, right? Market cap for this company, it is $269 billion right here in the revenue tab. It says $210.24 billion in revenue. EPS 13.47, and that PE ratio, it is looking nice at 10.57, but the forward PE, it looks like it's gonna get even cheaper at 9.41. And then if you take a look at that dividend right now, it is at 4.24%. So for every share that you purchase right now, you'll get $6.04 a year. I don't know, but that's looking really good to be an oil stock right there. Definitely. I'll probably make a video at the beginning of next week to take a look at maybe a couple of those oil companies right now. The ex-dividend date was on November 16, so they probably paid out already, or they're probably paying sometime this month. We'll probably go into the dividends tab so we can take a look at it. So right here, the 52-week range, as you can see right here, 52-week low, it is $140.72. So it's definitely much closer to that 52-week low, and it might go into under that 52-week low. It is looking like it right now. Then the 52-week high, it is $187. So the beta, it is at 1.10. And all of the analysts, it looks like they're saying it is a buy. It is a consensus buy. So let's take a look at the dividends information real quick, since this is mostly a dividend channel. That dividend yield 4.24%. Look at that payout ratio, only 44%. So they definitely have a lot of room to continue to grow that dividend. The dividend growth, it is 6.34%. So that's not bad. That's not great, but that's also not bad at all. 6% of that dividend growth. So it is looking really good. It looks like they continue to pay very consistently. The ex-dividend date was on November 16, and people, whoever that owns any shares of this company, will be getting paid on December 11, which should be a couple of days from now, from today. So they're going to be receiving a very nice dividend of $1.51 for each share that they hold. So definitely this company is looking really, really good. I'll probably do a video on these companies because that sector, it is looking like it is on sale right now at the moment. If we check in the last year, let's take a look at the performance in the last year for the whole sector. And Chevron is down. Wow, 17.20%. So Chevron is definitely down a lot. XOM in the last year, which is Exxon, it is down 5.26. Other companies are up. So something to look into right here. And I'll probably make a video on that. All right, so let's go right into my portfolio, and let's go into my holdings right here. And I am down right here in the top right corner. I am down $172 right now. So there should be some opportunities for me to continue to DCA into my stocks and continue to lower my costs. So as you can see right here, the first holding that I have that is in red is SCHD, which is my favorite ETF. Everyone knows, everyone that is subscribed to the channel knows that this is my favorite ETF. I have 31.6 shares. I can't wait until I get paid next week from that nice juicy dividend, and it will be reinvested right into the ETF. So I'm really excited about that. The price right now is at $72.40. My cost per share is $72.44, so I'm down $1.37. So that is not bad. Definitely, if it can stay around that price, so I can continue to bring my cost down, even if it is by a fraction of a cent, that will be great. So SCHD and my position right here, my sixth largest position, which is VYM, is my other high dividend yield ETF. These two, I make weekly purchases no matter what. For any of the new people watching this channel, any new subscribers, I make purchases weekly of these two ETFs, no matter where the price is at. I'm planning on holding forever if I can, and pass it down to my kids. So these two will be my two largest position, hopefully in the future. It is at $107. This one has been having a run up as of lately. I am in the positive by $15 right now. Cost per share, it is $104. My cost per share, it is $104 right now. I only have $571 invested in this ETF, so I definitely want to continue to bring it up to SCHD. If I get any bonuses soon, I'll probably be making some larger purchases into VYM to try to bring it up there. Hopefully I do. Don't we hope we do, right? Realty income, it is still down. I am at 24 shares. I really took advantage of this one right here. I am down $85. My cost per share is $58.19. So I'll probably make a small purchase of this one also, continue to bring my cost down. I really want to see that like closer to maybe $55. But I slowed down a little bit because I want to grow other positions. Another position that I am down on is Johnson and Johnson. I encourage you to do your research in this one. I am down $24 right now. My cost per share $160.70. My price, no, the price of the stock, it is $155.40. Right now I am at 4.5 shares, so I'm definitely going to be making a purchase on this one. I'm going to try to make a larger purchase than any other stock that I purchased today. So Main Street Capital is one of my favorite stocks, but it is in the positive. I probably won't be making any purchases. But I wanted to take a look at this one. Procter & Gamble, ticker symbol PG. It closed at $146.50. My cost per share, it is $136, but I really want to grow this position. So I'm probably going to make a small purchase for this one. Every dollar counts. So even a small purchase, that's how I have been growing my portfolio, actually making even more small purchases into any of my holdings, and that's how I have been growing them. Trust me, I started with less than a share with a lot of these companies right here, and look at where they are at right now in the total shares. So I'm definitely excited about that. Coca-Cola ran up above my cost, so I probably won't be making a purchase on that one. Medical Properties Trust, I'll leave it for last, and I think I'm going to hold for now, not make any more purchases, but I'll take a look. Then my next one, it is Pfizer. Ticker symbol PFE. I'm at 10.8 shares. I added it in the summer. So this one I have been very bullish since the summer, since I started the position. When it went down into the mid 30s, that's when I started buying it. That's why my cost per share is at $34.78. So I'm going to continue purchasing more. Even though it continues to go down, I'm planning on holding long term. This company has been in business for over 100 years. I think that will be okay. Then Apple has have a run up. My last company that I am in the red pretty much, it is Kenvue, ticker symbol KVUE. It closed at $20.81. I'm at 9.7 shares. I'm gonna make another small purchase on this one. I pretty much been buying every week this one, Kenvue. I started on IPO. This is the spinoff from J&J. I was gonna say Procter & Gamble. I've been very excited about Procter & Gamble. So ticker symbol KVUE is the spinoff from J&J, Johnson & Johnson, for the consumer sector. And I've been buying pretty much a quarter share every week. In the Fidelity brokerage account, I'm able to purchase fractional shares. So I've pretty much been doing that. And look at how it has been growing. I already have $227 invested in this company, just by investing only like $5 to $10 every week. Those $5 to $10, you could either purchase a coffee at Starbucks or anything like that. But I'd rather just go ahead and purchase some stocks and continue to grow my dividend portfolio, which right now it has a market value of $9,506. I'm definitely getting closer and closer to that 10K, and I'm very, very excited about that. All right, please let me know in the comment section which stocks are you purchasing. Do you purchase on Fridays also? Do you have the same strategy as I do? I really like my DCA strategy. I really like to continue to purchase fractional shares of each stock, and just continue to grow my dividend portfolio. My yearly estimated dividend, it is continuing to grow, which is awesome. I can't wait for all of the December dividends, which I am expecting it to be my largest month to date right now. So I'm very, very excited about that. I have the drip turned on all of my stocks pretty much. So that's going to purchase even more shares or more fractional shares of my holdings right there. So I'm very, very excited about that. All right, please don't forget to hit that like button to continue to support the channel. as it continues to grow. I really, really appreciate everyone's support. I reply to the comments personally, so please leave your opinion in the comment section. Also, I really appreciate talking to everyone out there that have all the positive vibe and all those positive comments. And also, I do look at the comments and I review any stocks that you put on there, just to take a look and see if I'm missing anything, any stocks that I probably end up liking and maybe even adding to my portfolio. I do have $146 right now, right there on hold, waiting for an opportunity. I was thinking on deploying it in Visa, but I'm still waiting. I'm patiently waiting. I'm patiently waiting. I know it sounds like time in the market, but I'm just waiting, and then I'll deploy that into a holding. All right, everyone. Please don't forget to hit the like button, and I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one on Sunday when I do my weekly update on my portfolio and I'll reveal all of my purchases that I make today. All right, I'll see you. Have a nice day. Thank you. Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor and this is for entertainment purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research before investing in the stock market. Thank you.